Hello learners, welcome to Ahmad Coaching and I'm your teacher Dr. Anam. Today we are going to study about difference between population and community. First of all, population. Population is actually a group of individuals of the same species which are occurring together in an area. If in a particular area only one species is residing, that particular species is called population. For example, human population. Okay, so in this particular area all the individuals they are human, so that's why we are going to call them population. In comparison to the population, we have community. Community is actually a group of individuals of different species found in an area. So the focus is on different species. So if in an area different species they are residing together, then we are going to call them community. For example, in a jungle, different animals are residing there or living there. So we have deer, we have turtle, we have fish, we have wolf, we have plants. All of these are belonging to different species. That is why we are calling them a community. But in this case only humans are here, so we are going to call them population. In case of population, individuals they can interbreed freely and can give birth to the babies. While in case of community, interbreeding is absent among different individuals. Why? Because they all are belonging to different species, so they can interbreed among the individuals of the same species, but with the different species they cannot interbreed. Then in case of population, individuals they are morphologically and behaviorally are same. It means that they look same and they behave same. For example, if we have a population of cat, they all look same, just the fur color is changed, but you can see that you can identify them based on their features. You can say, okay, this is cat, this is dog, this is horse. Why? Because they have their own special characteristics, or morphologically they are different from each other. Moreover, if you talk about their behavior is same. That is why they are population. But in case of community, because the individuals they are belonging to the different species, they are going to behave differently and they are going to look like differently. For example, you can see that fish, they look like different and behaviorally they are going to swim in the water. But in comparison to the fish, if we talk about the wolf they look different as well as they behave differently. The population is actually a small group in an ecosystem. If you are talking about a big picture, then in that big picture, population is just one small group. For example, we are talking about the population of cat, we are talking about the population of dog, we are talking about the population of horse or human. So they are just one small group. But in comparison to the population, the community, they are comparatively large groups. Why? Because in the community different groups they are joined together. For example, we are talking about the community, we are going to take cat, dog, horse, human. So all of them are going to make a big group, and this big group is known as community. Then comes that in case of population, intra-specific competition, it occurs among the individuals. Intra means inside. So inside the population, the individuals they are going to compete with each other. For example, if we talk about the food, these cats they are going to compete for the food. So that is why we are saying it is intra-specific competition. But in case of community, inter-specific competition occurs among the individuals. Inter means that between different species. It means that the competition it can occur between a wolf and a bear for the food, which can be the fish. So this is inter-specific competition. It means that competition between different species. In case of population, no prey predator relationship it occurs. Why? Because they all belonging to the same species. That is why there is no prey and predator relationship. While in case of community, we can see the prey predator relationship among the individual. Like I said, that bear is going to eat the fish. Fish is one species, bear is one species, so they are going to have a prey predator relationship. If we talk about the examples of population, we have humans, cats, sunflowers, horse, dog, any one species. If you are considering, it means you are talking about the population. But in case of community, we can talk about park. In the park we have plants, we have cat, we have insects, we have centipedes, caterpillar, so it is a community. Similarly, if we talk about a forest, in the forest we have bear, we have wolf, we have fish, we have trees, different species of trees. That is why it is a community. So that was all about our lesson today on difference between population and community. I hope it is clear to you. If you still have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.